Hi there, today we're going to show you how we make out of this table a folding balcony table. First of all, we're going to saw off here a 5cm strip of wood. We're then going to sand both pieces of wood. Then we're going to take the thin piece of wood, a strip of wood that would look like this, and will be placed on top of the tabletop and screwed into position. The tabletop is finished, and here's the bit that we cut off. That will be screwed eventually onto here, but for now we're going to turn the tabletop over and work underneath. We've turned the tabletop over and we're going to do the hanging system for on the balcony. The first thing we need is a piece of wood that's 5cm shorter on each side than the tabletop itself, and then we've got another piece of wood that's shorter in height but is the same length as the other piece of wood, and that is placed directly in front of the piece of wood. And the two pieces of wood are screwed on about 5cm from where the holes were drilled earlier. First of all, on the short piece of wood, we're going to drill some holes here up the top. Once them are done, we're going to then screw through here these pieces of wood together. And to explain how it's going to be hanging, if this is the balcony railing, then this diameter is the size of here so that it fits on top of here just nice. This piece of wood, we're going to saw with a jigsaw this part out. This will be our table leg. We've now got to cut out these two slits here. That is because when we attach everything together, we need to use these metal strips, and they go exactly in the two slits. The table foot now, this will go on here. This edge is in the middle of the tabletop, and here this piano hinge will be attached and screwed into place like this. To stop the table foot from falling over, we've made a piece of wood with a screw in the middle. We've cut off one corner, and here we've got a washer. We're going to screw on top of the washer, then it will be fixed into place like this, and then can be turned so that then the piece of wood is fixed and can't fall over anymore. I've got 4 metal strap bands that have been cut down to size. There, 2 of them are going here where these slits are. To do this, we have to put this on here and screw first of all up here. The other two are going here and here. These are the attachments for the balcony railing.